Hey, I keep hearing about simple interest and compound interest. I know they both involve earning money, but what's the actual difference? When it comes to interest, it isn't always simple, but it doesn't need to be difficult to understand. Basically, interest usually falls into one of two groups, simple or compound. But what exactly is interest? And why did Albert Einstein reportedly call compound interest the eighth wonder of the world? Let's take the example of savings accounts. Interest is the money paid to you by the bank as a reward for keeping your money with them. The interest is shown as a percentage, usually expressed per year, and is calculated based on the amount of money in your account. Okay, makes sense. So, what is simple interest? Simple interest is just that. Simple. The interest rate is applied to the amount in your account. Suppose you deposit $10,000 into a high-interest savings account at a 5% simple interest rate for 3 years. The interest you earn each year is 5% of the $10,000 equals $500. Total interest after 3 years will be $500 plus $500 plus $500 equals $1,500. So the interest you receive over a certain period is a fixed percentage of the principal amount you deposited. And how is compound interest different? Basically, you earn interest on the money you've deposited and also on the interest you've already earned. In other words, your interest earns interest. Let's go back to the $10,000 example. Suppose you deposit the same $10,000 at 5% interest compounded annually. In year 1, you earn 5% interest on the principal amount of $10,000, which is $500, the same as simple interest. In year 2, you earn 5% on $10,500. That's the original $10,000 plus $500 interest from year 1, which is $525. In year 3, it's 5% on $11,025. That's $10,000 plus $500 plus $525. That gives you $551.25. So in total, you earn $1,576.25 in interest over 3 years with compound interest versus $1,500 with simple interest. That's a difference of $76.25, just from the effect of compounding. This is because the interest is applied after the first year. Then the interest rate for the second year is applied to the principal and interest and so on. So your money can grow at an accelerated rate over time. The impact is harder to see in the early years, but eventually it becomes quite pronounced. Compound versus simple over the long term. Let's say you invested $1,000 every year into an account earning 5% simple interest and decided to withdraw the interest at the end of each year. Over 30 years, you would have saved $30,000 and earned $23,250 interest. Now compare that with the same investment, compounded monthly, at the same 5% interest rate over 30 years. You would earn $41,247.57 in interest, and your total balance would be $71,247.57. That's almost double the interest earned through compound interest. The extra interest is generated as a result of monthly compounding and leaving your interest in the account to earn additional interest over time. The sooner you put your money into an account that is earning compound interest and leave it there, the faster your money will accumulate and the larger your savings will become. It's also worth remembering that compound interest can work against you when you are the one paying it, such as with credit cards. So, keep this in mind when considering your options. As Albert Einstein put it, those who understand it, earn it. Those who don't, pay it.